Hey guys, I'm Mario.
And Tripper Tripper.
And today we're going on a steam engine. My friend's steam engine is this type. That type of steam engine. So all the gears and rods. So
Mario, can I be famous? My
first time. So yeah, we're gonna see when we get there. Bye.
Cutscene.
Hey everybody, I'm Mario again. And we're here. We're here where the engine is. I've got my engine toy. Come on, let's go. Let's go. So there's a bit of a crowd because it's an engine, and they have a model of the engine. That's actually pretty cool. They have a model of it, and somebody's complaining about there's too many people, but people need to do the coal, do the water, and just drive it. So get off the road. Mario's walking on the road. Wait. Now, this car coming.
Hi boys, come in.
Is this kind of similar to the engine?
Is it kind of similar? Who knows? Probably. Yeah. Probably.
Thank you.
The boys are in the backyard.
Oh,
You want to hang there until
Yeah.
Spencer's dad comes home?
Yeah. Hey there, puppy.
Come here.
Puppy.
You can come out for a minute.
Hey, puppy. Can you put this in my
I'm gonna hold it.
back pocket,
Oh,
please?
no, that's it.
Put it in your pocket. Thank you. Hey, puppy. Hey, buddies.
Hi.
You're in a video.
Oh, hi video. Subscribe to
Am I allowed to show your face?
Yeah. I'm plugging.
Subscribe to Sped Hotchie.
Subscribe to Chris Salos.
Am I allowed to show your face?
Yeah.
Okay then.
Subscribe to Chris.
I'm a Minecrafter.
Hey, he's a Minecrafter.
I'm the best.
So this is how you enter the house through the backyard. Ew. Like a destination. Where are you guys going? Oh.
Hey Mario. Elson.
Hey.
Record this.
Okay, I'm recording. It's on. Whoa! Are you okay?
Yeah, boy.
Whoa! I never seen this happen. I might try it in the video. Come on, you can do it.
I don't want to do it.
I might have to go.
But my one was more sketchy. I don't know. Subscribe to Chris Salos.
I think I want to do that.
I'll do you.
Okay.
Go Mario, go.
Okay, just don't get my human face.
Mario, what are you doing?
Trying to get through.
Yeah, right. I don't know what Spencer's doing here. Spencer, what is that? Look, what's your bro?
Oh, is that also gonna do it?
What a bragger. Oh my god. Hey, shush, it's a video.
Hey everybody, I'm Mario and I'm here with some other YouTubers
Don't subscribe to Spencer Hot
at his house. And there's a steam engine. I nearly broke my back jumping off there. So I'm gonna see if I can see this steam inside. I heard it, but I didn't see it. So I'm gonna see if I can see it. Nowhere to be seen. Thank you. at the model or something. So I'm gonna pause it here and bye.
Mario and Jeffy going to
Go.
Okay, so
Lincoln, you coming?
so
and Jeffy
this is Jeffy's spirit.
Mario and Jeffy going on the train.
Where is it? Where is it? There it is! Woo!
Can't hold it. You can't do it.
This is so fantastic. Here's the train. Stevie. Hey, Alex. Hey, Alex.
Like the paint job.
Yeah.
Are we allowed to go on again?
Nice red paint
Are we allowed
job.
to go on again? Are we allowed to go on again?
Yeah, let's see who goes on. The two boys are going on, so you can probably jump on with them.
Hey.
Just see if Dominic's going to go on,
Who's
okay?
Dominic?
Dominic's over here. We're just going to see if Dominic will go on.
Alright.
You might be ready to go on now.
Okay, everybody, so we'll see you when we're on the train. Yeah, videos. Videos! So, this might run out of recording time, so see you when we're on the train for like the 50th time. Bye! So, everybody, I'm gonna stop this video for part 2. Bye!
Wait, what's your channel?
Hey everybody, I'm Mario again. The Steamy's coming back. Oh, I didn't really care about this top. I don't care about it.
Chris, move.
There's the steam engine. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. It's coming, I'm so excited. So, I really like steam engines, so I'm so excited. I'm here with YouTubers. Other YouTubers.
You're really gonna record.
Yes, I need to. It's coming. Hey, ready. Right, guys, see you when I get on it. Okay, so there's the steam engine. Toot! Woo! So there it goes to the distance. So I'm gonna pause the video and see when I get on it. So this is gonna be part 2. Can you mash all these videos up? Okay, so bye, see you when I get on it for part 3, hopefully. Bye. I want this steam engine. is over.
Chris, can you take it?
That was fun.
Oh, Chris, you're
I'll
a
do it
little
again.
annoying. You kept on slapping me and everything.
You ask if I can blow the horn.
Huh?
Ask if I can blow the whistle. What are you doing?
Get out, quickly. Alright, I'll see. Get out. Great!
Right, boys. Getting up from the road there.
I'm letting him blow the horn.
The whistle.
Yeah. Alright.
Am I allowed to?
Yeah, I'll show you. Alright, so see this, bro? I'm gonna record you. See the. Now I gotta do it.